Okay, as you start getting a little bit more advanced in your use of Visual Programmer, you will find that you can start doing some pretty fancy stuff, like putting sequences inside other sequences to make them work. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to take a sensor and I'm going to drag it out to the Sequence Builder window. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and start the video. In this case, I've actually hooked up another sensor. It's called a distance sensor to port 2, and you can see that right here, and this is that distance sensor. So what the distance sensor does is it's checking to see how far away something is in front of it. You can look at these, almost look like eyeballs. These are infrared readers right here. So if I were to cover up here, you'll notice that the green bar goes to near, meaning there's something close by. And if I remove my finger, then it's quite a distance before it detects anything. Okay, near and far. And in this particular case, I'm going to leave this right in the middle because it's good enough for my purposes here. And so let's just say, for example, that we wanted to have our light, our green light, blink 10 times. We've already written that sequence previously. So I can take that sequence, just like I took an expression and dragged it in here, I could take a sequence and drag it into another sequence. And then I can say off if the distance is far. So if I hit play, if my distance is far, nothing's happening. But the minute I get close to something, the light starts to blink. Okay? And in this case, because I have it looped, it just keeps on blinking until I move away. And actually, interestingly enough, it's going to finish those 10. Like if I cover it up, and if I release, it's still finishing those 10 out, and then it'll stop. So depending on how you write your code, it would react according to the kind of counter that you built. Okay, and I can save this one, save as. I'll call it distance sensor. LED, distance sensor blink, something like that. Okay, and that's it.